What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, look. Y'all see what's out there in the background? Y'all see it? Shakedown time. Now, if it's shakedown time, you know what that means. I'm finna do something. I'm finna do something immediately after this. So, I done come to my conclusion. It's two more things to this car I can do that I want to do, that I'm willing to do, that'll make this nag faster. It's still not at its full potential. So I'm finna get a final shakedown on this suspension setup. What, Jay? Yeah, this suspension setup. I'm about to change the rear shocks on here. Coilover was already on the front. I'm finna put some real shocks on the back of this thing, man. I'm finna go ahead and put some real shocks in the back of this thing so I can get some real adjustment. And I'm going to make one engine upgrade that I was saving. But I'm gonna hit the dyno first. We finna take RnB to the dyno here soon. I got one upgrade, one change I'm gonna do to this combo that I didn't do because I wanted to test it this way first. Cause what I'm gonna do next, I already know gonna yield more power. I'm talking about 15 to 20 plus. I know it's gonna make 15 to 20 plus. Whatever it do now, when I do one thing to it. So I'm finna go shake this nag down, and y'all ain't seeing it in a minute anyway. Y'all see it kind of cooling off. It's still humidity in the air, but that blower like the coolest air possible. So I had to wait. Sun started trying to go down. We get some shade, which it is that time. So let me crank the nag up. I had to spray the wheels off, man, cause she was muddy over there on that side with it. Stuff been splashing up. Y'all ain't heard of RnB in a minute. Y'all probably forgot how she sound. Still drop her the key. Ready. I love how RnB sound when I change that exhaust set up. And these headers that's on here, I love them. I love them, man. Them bigger primaries, love them. I had got lost for words, man. I was just listening to it. This thing sound good. Mellows, them Flowmaster FX talking. Yeah. We finna go shake it down, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. Checking in. Let's see what RnB gonna do. It's been a minute. It's been a minute since she shook down. We're gonna see before we make these quick changes. We're gonna make one change right away. And then we're gonna do the other one. We're gonna do the other one later. 92, the DA is crazy. So we'll turn y'all on in a minute and turn around. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, we checking in. I seen it, man. She still got it. But just the thing, she gonna get better. She gonna get better. So first thing I'm gonna do, cause I told y'all I got two things. I got two things I'm gonna do. One is gonna be a direct switch of the combo. I'm gonna do something to make it my final combination. This ain't my final combination. This is my if you watch Dragon Ball Z, this the first form. Then I'm gonna do the transformation. So this the first transformation I mean. Then I'm gonna do the final transformation, final form. So but I'm finna put some shots on the back of it for real, man. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some doubles back there instead of these air shots. I already got the air shots on it. Cause y'all know it was just for rims and it's still just for rim, but I like to show what you can get done out of a standard 350. This is 350 cubic inch engine. 350 cubic inches, true 350, no 355, not a 358, not a 360, not a stroker, none of that. This is a true 350 cubic inch engine. The piston's about this big. No small little piston, man. If you seen a 350 piston, they is tiny, tiny, low compression engine. This thing got this thing like 8.5 to 1, 8.5 to 1 compression. And in all honesty, it'll probably run on 89 octane with the way I got it set up. I got it set up so y'all see the way it run is why I drive it. I don't touch it. The plug come out, the electrode tan, the straps look good on it every time. Same tune from when Angry Yankee tuned it, man. All I do is change the plugs, set the same gap, and let it ride. Put the 93 in it, and that's it. But she did good. She did good, especially y'all see how I'm sweating. Especially for all this humidity in the air, the DA terrible. It ain't optimal weather for this car, but what this car bust off is it did good. So what I was testing right there is the traction with the shocks and stuff. Cause I'm gonna get it better. Right now I'm not just stabbing it off the line, so 60 foot is high, could be better cause I'm not stabbing it. But we're gonna do the shock first, then I'm gonna show you how you can pick up on just the shock change, and then after that I'm gonna do my last little thing. I'm gonna get with Jesse. He'll go back over there. I'm gonna do the last thing to it, make the final form, and then we're gonna come out and we're gonna see what type of power she make. But I got to take it to the dyno first before I do anything. Do that last engine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get what I need to get to make the change. I will go ahead and get that, but and I'm gonna go ahead and schedule in with Jesse, cause I have to schedule in like everybody else. But I'm gonna go ahead and schedule in, and then we're gonna go revisit the dyno. So right now the next step is to get the summit and get the shop. I'm gonna run QA1s all the way around. I got QA1s in the front, so they're gonna be the first. Well, beside brown coat, they're gonna be the first one that I run QA1 on all four corners, and I'm gonna see. We're gonna see how they do. Cause I'm gonna have all shots except F codes. I ain't tried F code, but cause I'm finna take the Vikings off of Meach. They're gonna be for sale soon, and I'm finna put some Mensers on there. I'm putting some Menser Motorsports shock on Meach. Menser, some big dogs. And then we got Vikings on Dolo, which do great. They custom valve for Dolo for wheels, which I gotta go ahead and buy some wheels for Don't Game, man. Cause I'm finna take them wheels. Dolo need his wheels back. I'm finna put them wheels back on Dolo, man. Them Dolo wheels, they won't take the steering wheel off. And I'm finna go ahead and I don't know why I'm playing, but I need to go ahead and order them wheels for Don't Game. Which ain't that to it. I just don't be stressing stuff like wheels. It's simple. The car set up, I can take them all, and all I gotta do is get a new wheel, put them on. Suspension already set. Dolo suspension already set up for the 6s. So you know, I'll probably go ahead and get some rims for that. Y'all see what rims. And I'm back on my grizzly, man. I'm back on my grizzly. So touching the whole fleet, touching them all at one time. Cause I got some meats finna go to get some done too. Meats finna get some done. But right now, I'm finna get in there. I'm finna go in my office and get on Summit, and I'm finna get looking up some stuff. I got to, and if they got it, I'm gonna get to order some stuff. So we're finna do shots on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna go ahead and get what I'm gonna get to change the engine up. And I'm gonna get everything I need to change the engine up, and then I'm gonna be on standby. Still gonna be 350 cubic inches. I'm gonna do my final form, blown combo on J Malcolm specs, and we're gonna see how much faster it get, how much power and torque it pick up. So she did good tonight though. I'm satisfied cause it's hot. It's still right now. It's 88 degrees. It's see here trying to pick up, y'all. It's about to be 8 o'clock and it's still 88 degrees, man. But we finna do it. We finna do it, y'all. I'm finna start. Y'all gonna start seeing episodes on each car, man. Cause I'm finna start touching on all of them. It's finna be the last part of the year. So y'all know how I do it. Turn up. It be time to turn up at the last part of the year. But RnB, yeah, RnB did all right now. Felt good in that thing. I got the I still got the headlight thing going on, man. Like I said, the lights went again, blowing fuses. So I got to get a true fix for that, man. I'm gonna go take it back to Herb, let him do what he do. But this thing got to be a true fix, whatever the problem. So it ain't blowing these fuses, man. Cause that one ain't took it to the track either. Cause y'all know at night the track get dark. Once it get dark, I ain't got no headlight. I can't run. But I think next time we go to the track, probably this week. It's gonna be this week. Dolo gonna be going. Y'all ain't seen Dolo get hit with that nitrogen in a minute on them radios since last year. So Dolo gonna be going to the track this week on the radios, on with the anti-roll bar. Anti-roll bar been on 2 months now, I think, and we still ain't took it. I ain't took it. I know it's gonna drop to 60 foot for a fact. That joke already had a 1.3 60 foot, that big old car. So we gonna knock that 60 foot down, man. I plan on knocking another tenth at least off of that 60 foot. And if I do that, we finna go up through the, oh Lord. It finna be time to go in. See, that's what I'm saying, man. These pop-up storms, I don't even see no cloud. These pop-up storms, I'm glad I did what I gotta do. But RnB, man, we finna get with it, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.